What's up, guys? Alright, so I know I've been a little bit absent, but I want to go ahead and catch you guys up on the car since I haven't posted in a while, and I've done quite a bit of it. Those videos will be coming out soon. I just want to go ahead and show you guys a teaser video of everything that I have done on the vehicle, and it's pretty much all the carbon fiber that I once said I was going to do. I did it all. So I hope you guys like the car and the new update of it, but let me go ahead and show you guys my new car, pretty much, to me. Not to you guys. But before I go ahead and get into that, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like the video below. It does help out quite a bit. And if you're new, I want to go ahead and show you guys my car. It's a 2013 Audi A5 B8.5 model, which means it's a 2.0 T engine, 4-cylinder, and it's the non-S line. So I don't get some of the S line luxuries, but it looks pretty good still from what I had from the beginning. So if you guys liked my channel, like the car, please like and subscribe. So first things first is the carbon fiber front lip from ECS tuning. So this front lip is meant for an S5. It does fit my Audi. There's a little bit gap, but I think I just didn't position it right. But as you can see, it looks really good. I have another video of me posting ECS tuning lip, but that one broke within 5 days of me having it. This is the full carbon fiber version. This one's a lot more expensive than the other one, which is like 200 bucks. This one's around $600. So I finally went ahead and did it. The little chip that the other one had was killing me. It was too much, so went ahead and bought the full carbon fiber lip. I think it looks really good. Let me know what you guys think. I know right now you can't see it, but if in the sun, this thing, you can see it's carbon fiber from a mile away. When the sun hits it, it's the perfect thing on this car. And I guess I'll go front back. And then I know I showed a video of me putting ESR wheels on this vehicle, which if you ask, these are ESR RF2s wrapped in Firestone 8500s. My wheel specs are 19s by 9.5, 35 offset. If you're gonna ask, that's what they are. And if you could tell, I have new rotors. So I went ahead and switched out the rotors because that's something you can really tell on this vehicle from far away, especially with these wheels, the space between the gaps and all that right there. So I went ahead and got new rotors. I think it really ties everything together and it looks really good. So next is my carbon fiber mirror caps. These I think were 140 or 150 bucks to buy. They come as a set, of course, but yeah, as you can see, full carbon fiber as well. They do wrap around the bottom and the inside. These were super easy to install. This took, I want to say, maybe less than 20 minutes. The front lip did take quite a bit longer, but let me go and show you guys. So next things next is the side skirt. I have a video of the old side skirt on here, but this is a new side skirt. This is by MAXTON Designs. This is the only piece that's not carbon fiber, just due to the fact that they don't have any carbon fiber pieces. They have a carbon fiber look, but I want to find a real carbon fiber one, and I just haven't been able to. These were, I think, like 140 bucks. Not the cheapest, but not the most expensive ones either. So they look pretty good, and they don't bend like the old ones. So yeah. And one thing I did want to go ahead and show you guys is the new roof. So I got this from Fresh Kicks. I know a lot of people are really against it, but I went ahead and wrapped the roof with carbon fiber vinyl. But Fresh Kicks did it. I don't know if you guys watched him, but his looked out pretty clean, and mine looks pretty good also. Like when it hits, the sun hits it, it looks pretty much identical to my carbon fiber that's here and everywhere else in the car. So don't knock it till you try it. If you guys want to go ahead and try it, see how it looks on your car, you decide. But I like it on mine. And I do have a spoiler as well. This is carbon fiber. I do have a video on this actually, so if y'all want to go ahead and take a look at that, it's on my channel. It's an M4 one, full carbon fibered out as well. This thing I think was like 140 bucks or 120. And then as you go to the back, this is my new diffuser, full carbon fiber, meant for an S5 though, so it was hell to get on this car, but I think in the end it ties everything up real good, as you can see. But that's what it looks like. I do love it though, even though I spent so much time trying to get it to fit on there. It's my favorite thing. This one though, this diffuser, that is expensive. That's like, I want to say 600, 700 bucks. The rotors, I want to say around 400 bucks around there. So like 100 per each one. They weren't that expensive. I thought they were going to be more expensive. That's how the car sits currently. I do like the fitment of the wheels, how all the carbon fiber ties everything together. I do want to go for a new color, but I'm still thinking about that as well. Let's see what else happens next. Pretty much I'm sure I'm just going to start working on the engine now that I finished the exterior. But yeah. And as for everybody telling me I need spacers, because I do get it quite a bit. Like, have you ever heard of spacers? Bro, why would I need spacers? Look at that fitment. Like, look, like, it's good. I don't need it. But yeah. Anyways, in the description below, I will have all the parts listed. So before you ask, because I always have people that ask, check the description below. And I'm sorry if this video was a little bit rushed, or I didn't get to some things, or I didn't explain it. It's just because I'm barely getting back into making videos and stuff like that. So I had some time off. I want to come back and make better videos for you guys. So until next time, guys, peace. Oh, like, subscribe if you like the car. Like and subscribe. It does help out the channel a lot. If you have any questions, comment down below as well. All right, peace. Bye.